Hey guys, Angry Birds Caster, and today I am reviewing a mod, and yeah, this mod is called the Dubstep Guns mod. This has in like 4 new guns, which are pretty cool. I don't know if these songs are, I don't think these songs are copyrighted because I've seen other people review it, and yeah, so wait a minute. Do I have to have my music? No, I don't think so. So yeah. This mod adds, this is part of Crazy. Yeah, I'm using Crazy Craft to review this mod because I don't want to waste time having to download it. But you guys can download it. I'll leave the link in the description below. To the mod. So yeah, and the map too. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, the map that I'm using, so the modern map. So yeah, let's get this started. Okay. This is the first dubstep gun. And yeah, this is how to craft it. Like just buttons, diamond block, and yeah, and each of these guns have different songs. So yeah, okay. So when you shoot, okay, this is what happens. I think it takes ammo, maximum ammo. Okay, actually, no, it doesn't. Okay, so yeah. This is what it does. Let's test this out on the mob. Okay, let's test it out on a spider. Okay, so yeah. Or, no, let's test it out on the zombie pigmen. Because zombie pigmen are stupid and they suck. If you guys don't know, I hate zombie pigmen because of their swords. The swords, they don't deserve to have those swords. They don't deserve it. You know why they don't deserve it? They don't deserve it because only us humans deserve swords. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah. It sets it on this zombie stupid head. And yeah. When you shoot it, look what it does. And then he doesn't even attack you when you shoot. See, look at this. Listen to the music. Wait, okay. Okay, let's try. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey! Okay, so yeah, that was the first dubstep gun, and yeah, sorry about the glitch. It's like when Minecraft lags, and then the music like stops a little bit. So okay, so yeah, okay, this is the dubstep circular gun, and let's test it out on more of these zombie stupid heads. And look, and when you shoot it, look. Okay, so yeah, that was the dubstep circular gun. Let's shoot these guys. You suck! You suck! You freaking suck! Okay, anyway. Okay, stop it, music. Okay, this is the explosive dubstep gun, and you guys probably know what this does. So, oh, look, it's the little baby zombie pigman. What does this have? Wait a minute, potion effects. Rare quicksand. What? Oh my! I forgot it's crazy. Rare quicksand, raging Weber quicksand zombie pigman. He has 60 health. I want to kill him with this. Okay, look at this. Hey! Stop it, lag. Okay, when it explodes, it kind of lags. So die, pigman. Die, you suck. How come does my gun have no ammo? No ammo. Okay, I think it needs ammo. I don't know how to. Okay, so yeah, let's get a new one. Explosive dubstep gun. I want to show everyone what the music is. Okay. Explosive. explosive dubstep gun. Okay. Okay, wait, it's still in the air. Ah. So you guys can hear the music. Oh my gosh. Okay. And now I'll kill the pigman. Okay. This thing's laggy as crap. This thing's laggy as crap. Explosive dubstep gun. Come on, music, play. Okay, yeah, this thing, I think that one glitched out a little bit, but yeah, okay. So yeah, let's just kill the pigman with the explosive dubstep gun that has no music. Oh my gosh, yeah, that one's kind of glitched. Okay, die. I'm just blowing up my arena. Oh my gosh, there's a baby pigman over there. I want to kill it. Oh wait, we didn't get to that item yet. Where is it? Okay, yeah. These songs are really catchy. I hope they're not copyrighted. Okay, I know they're not copyrighted because, I'm gonna say, yeah, I've seen other people review it, and they did not get copyright. Okay, so yeah, for the next one, this is called the Bat Killer, and this is the demented one, because it kills poor little bats. Oh my gosh. Why would they, do they, like, hate Dylan or something? I don't know. Like, no, my gosh. Okay, Dylan's... It's supposed to kill bats. Oh my gosh, it killed all the bats. Okay, wait, this is what it sounds. What does it sound like? Do there have to be bats? Not butts. Did I say butts instead of bats? What the heck? Okay. Okay, it's kind of glitched too. But yeah. Okay. Oh wait, I didn't show you the crafting recipe for. Did I show? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's the crafting recipe for the dubstep circular gun, explosive dubstep gun. The crafting recipe is this. TNT, of course, and yeah. And then the crafting recipe for the Bat Killer is the Wither Skull. And the first stuff. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's the one. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it's kind of glitched the music and the stuff. Or isn't because maybe it's my computer's stupid. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then this is a mod showcase. Yeah. What the heck? Everyone knows that. What the heck? Okay. No, I was gonna say this is glitched. These two items are glitched. So yeah. Yeah, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, then leave a like. For more Minecraft content, subscribe. So yeah, guys. And see you guys. Wait a minute. I just want to party before going. Party. Yeah. I like to party.